In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to funnels and organize multiple funnels using unique paths. To get started, head over to your settings area and open domains. This is where you manage the web address that visitors will use to access your pages and funnels. In this section, add your main domain, such as www.yourdomain.com. This step connects your branded domain to the platform so you can use it instead of a generic system URL. Using your own domain helps create a more professional experience and makes your links easier for visitors to recognize and trust. Once your main domain has been added, the next part happens when you are creating or editing a funnel. Open the funnel editor, then go to settings, and again select domains. This section allows you to decide which connected domain that specific funnel will use. Choose the domain you want to assign to the funnel. This is important because it tells the system exactly which web address should display that funnel when someone visits it. If you plan to use more than one funnel under the same main domain, the key is to define a unique path for each funnel step. For example, one funnel could use a path like yourdomain.com/funnel1, while another could use yourdomain.com/funnel2. The path is simply the part that comes after the main domain, and it helps separate one funnel from another while keeping everything under the same website address. As you set this up, make sure every funnel has its own unique path. This prevents conflicts and ensures that each link points to the correct destination. If two funnels try to use the same path, the system won't know which one should appear, and that can cause problems for both you and your visitors. A good habit is to keep your path short, clear, and easy to remember. That makes your links cleaner and easier to share in emails, ads, or social media. It also helps you stay organized as you build more funnels over time. So the overall process is simple. First, add your main domain in the domain settings. Then inside each funnel settings, assign that domain. And finally, give each funnel its own distinct path. When done correctly, this setup lets you run multiple funnels smoothly under one main domain without overlap or confusion.